everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to set up the tablet fan that can be used on your tablet, obviously, TV or monitor. So as you saw in the short, it is USB based and this actually works. So I'm going to show you how to set it up to work properly. So you have the suction cup here. Sometimes you have to lick them a little bit here just to get them to work. You take it, you put it on the back of your monitor just like that. So with that, it may not stick. The suction cups on here are not actually that great. So you put it on there, and what you do is you take the USB end and you put it in here just like this. So what you do, there we go. It's also not a clean surface. So I'm going to hold the fan for this demonstration. So now what you want to do is push this button. It powers the fan on and off. Why do I say keep it on a switch? The reason you want to keep it on a switch is so it's not constantly running when the TV is on. So I'm not going to leave this fan hooked up here for myself. I'm going to actually put it on my TV. But what this will do is it'll enable you to have control over the fan itself. So let's say your room gets really hot, you push it to turn it on, room cools down, you turn it off. So there we go. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.